Hey everybody, guess what I got? This is gonna be a short video, just so you know. I got an Amazon package today. Yee, I'm so excited. I've been waiting. I've been stalking the post all day. I got a diamond painting from Amazon. And I will link this down in the description. At the time that I got it, it was $5.86, I believe. Yeah. Oh, it's so cute, guys. I'm just gonna tell you now. It is small one. Oh, look at that. A 30 by 30. Ooh, okay, so it comes with regular standard kit, squishy pins, you know, all the stuff in it. It does have some bags. And then here's the diamonds, the drills. Pretty good. Don't see any trash or anything like that. And it only came with one fold, so it is laying pretty flat. It's pretty soft. It's not the stiff kind. It also is, I don't know if you can see it. It does. Here, let me see if I can move this. It is a glittered canvas, and the stick is good, but it's a Halloween gnome. Oh, it's so cute. I've been doing Halloween and getting them out and getting them going, so she's so cute with her pink little braids. I love the pink pumpkin. Oh my gosh. And her super cute hat. It is a 30 by 30. And it has, wow, 26 colors. And geez Louise, this is like tiny. Wowzers. Can you see how tiny that is? That's some teeny tiny writing there. But yeah, again, this was from Amazon. And if I can figure out how to link, I will link this down there. And I got it for $5 something or other, and hopefully the price is still the same. Oh, she's so stinking cute. Okay, so let me throw this away. I want to label this before I forget. Because if I don't, I will throw it in my tub over there and totally forget. All right. Pink pumpkin Amazon. Okay. So, super quick video. I don't know if you noticed, but I haven't done videos in a while, so this is, you know, my first one back into it, but that's it. And she's super cute. And all right, guys, well, thank you. Subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.